Hello friends, welcome back to another video today. Today we're going to take a look at how we're going to make curved containers like what we have here. And before I get into the video, I would just like to thank our ever-growing family on the continuous support that you guys are giving. We are really grateful, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video today. So now let's go. So now let's create the container first. Put the widget container and a child. Here I'm just gonna put a text. You can put actually what you need in here in your container, because basically what we are telling Flutter is that there is a box here and that you need to have the text inside. So basically there's an invisible box around this saying that okay, anything within the container is here. So in this case it's the hello world text. Now so that we can see what is there, we can maybe put a decoration here, box decoration. Okay, and then we change the color. So we'll put colors.gray. Okay, now you can see we've made the container colored, so you can see the container here. Now let's just adjust it a bit to make it a bit more nicer to see. We can maybe put a padding here, put padding all maybe 20, and you can see now the padding is increased. So now when you look at it, you can actually see it's a regular box rectangle here we have. So everything has sharp corners here. Now when you look at the design, sometimes you feel that okay, maybe the sharp corners might not work in your current design. So what you can do to make it more curved and like it's flowing, so you can add a border radius to it. So what you can do, you can type border, and you can see there's an option here, border radius. So what you can do, type border radius, you can put circular. Again, you put your value. What do you need? Again, you have to remove this and you save. Now you saw that the corner now has become curved. So again, you can play around with this number. You can maybe put 40 and see how much more it curves, even more. Can I put 100? Anything? Does it change anything? No. So again, you can play around with the border radius to put any number that suits your design. So if we change it back to 10, you can see now it's a bit more curved. So like this, you can create curved containers within your design to make it more fluid, and based on your design and based on the user requirement, you can adjust this. And we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll see you guys in the next video. And you know what? You guys are awesome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, as it helps us tremendously. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.